How to activate EasyPaisa account. If you'd like to activate your EasyPaisa account, it is very simple for us to do so. What we have to do is, first of all, you want to launch the EasyPaisa app and log into your account. Then you have to tap the profile icon, which will be located at the top left of the screen. And when you tap on that option, you're going to be able to land on this page. Now when you're on this page, under my account, you can see the option called upgrade your account. So as long as we don't upgrade and verify our account will remain mostly inactive and limited to some type of structure. So when you tap on upgrade your account, you go to the next option. You have to line up your hand with the guide, keep your fingers together, stay still, and follow up with a couple of document and other details. So tap the scan left hand option first, then after that scan the right hand, and once done you can enter your personal details like your full name as per CNC, your gender, your CNC expiry date, your mother's maiden name, your father's or spouse name, your date of birth, as well as your place of birth and other details. And once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then activate your EasyPaisa account. So I hope this video pretty much helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.